Today is church day, and this is the outfit of
yeah, that bacon, all that good old bacon and chitlins and my meal. Guys, I'm at the church, so isn't it awesome? Church ladies cooked. Let's see how this tastes. Broccoli.
My mother made that.
That's yummy. The broccoli.
That's what I just got to tell you about. Did you hear me? Did you hear me talking about that?
Oh, that's so good.
I never had it before. Really? It's the first thing I noticed.
I have
I told her you got to try it.
string beans.
It's really easy to make.
Chicken spaghetti, mac and cheese, string beans, a delicious chicken and broccoli and cheese. It's amazing.
Seasoned just to perfection.
Yummy. First time I ever had this. Chicken, broccoli, and cheese. I'm talking to my phone.
Oh, you got somebody on there.
Oh, yummy. Did she make the one with the mushrooms in it?
No,
Broccoli and rice.
This one has broccoli and rice too. Both of them. These ladies know how to cook. Okay, let's eat some meat. I haven't had any meat in a while, but chicken is good. Oh, yummy. The spaghetti. Good. Good spaghetti squash. This is so good. Has rice in it, mushrooms. Here's my.
They're when they come back to check the visit. Let's come from the way. They're when they come to visit.
to the bank. Open her bag and get up. White
Did you get something to drink? If it's lemonade or something, you're done with your plate or no? Oh, okay. So good. Look like they found some carry-out plates. Did you taste this, son? Spaghetti squash. It's really good. It's really good.
That's mine.
Is it really? I'm glad it was good. I'm glad it was good. some over here?
First time I made it.
Oh, it's delicious. Isn't it good, Shauna? It's delicious. Good thing I said, oh, I don't like this spaghetti squash. I would have been in trouble.
No, you wouldn't have.
Because everybody don't like everything, right?
Right, exactly.
And they don't like apples. Everybody don't like apples.
I love tamales. Where do y'all sell them at?
On the weekends, now we sell them off at, you know where people set up and be selling things up by the highway there? By Gil, that's where we did. On Thursday and Friday. Oh, we got some, Mississippi Delta tamales. Over 45 years, his recipe. Oh, I wish we had kept it. Oh, I'll keep it. I'll put mine in.
This lemon cake was good. That's yours. Is that your cake?
Yeah. You can have it.
I haven't seen that over.
You can have it.
Is this my plate I just brought over here?
Yeah.
Here's yours.
Is that yours?
That's the old one.
Okay.
You put yours in there too?
Yeah.
Right?
You did a really good job on this spaghetti squash. What did you put in it? What's the recipe? You share it?
I think I do all of these guys. I season them with that Tony Saccharin's Creole seasoning,
Oh.
powder, boil them, let them cool, shred them, cut them up. I do my boil my noodles. I take the rotel tomato, the brown, and cream of chicken soup, and mix that together, pour it all in there, and put the cheese on top and let it bake.
Wow. Oh, I won't be long, baby. I tell you, this is delicious, honey. I'm going to use that recipe for sure.
That's something I've done lately. I've started trying to get more adventurous about my cooking.
Shauna,
Trying things I've never
you've
tried.
never tried before.
There's a lot of good stuff out there if you're not afraid to try it.
Oh yeah. So I told them I have to come try
Shauna, go
tamales.
dump your plate.
I tried tamales for the
Dump
first
your
time
plate
last
over
year.
there.
I would love them.
Where you get them from?
There was a gentleman I worked for. He got me somewhere out of jet.
Probably Polish.
Fort. I'll take it. I got one? Okay, I'll take that one. Just take the fork.
I'm going to give you mine. You got to take on it. Oh, you got yours. Okay, huh?
You see?
Go step the truck.
Okay, I won't be long. I'm going to go get me some more. Don't be wrong. I'm not.
Do you need me help you or do you?
If you want to go, wait a minute. If you want to go, take this Bible. Take this. Oops, no you don't. Don't take that. Here, throw this over there, baby. I'm going to go get a little bit more broccoli and rice, if they have it.